Hello children, let us start with practice set 49. Question 1. Find the Pythagorean triplet from among the following sets of numbers. Numbers are given. Here very simple method is there. You have to find out the square of each number. The sum of the square of the two smaller numbers must be equal to the square of the greater number. If it is there, then it is a Pythagorean triplet. Otherwise, not so. We'll see with the example. First example. 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. So 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Now 9 plus 16 equals to 25. Therefore, 3 square plus 4 square, this must be square here, equals to 5 square. Therefore, 3, 4 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. It must be a square. Next, 2, 4, 5. 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. But 4 plus 16 equals to 20. So it is not equal to 25. Therefore, 2 square plus 4 square is not equal to 5 square. Therefore, 2, 4 and 5 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next example, 4, 5, 6. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. But 16 plus 25 equals to 41. That is not equal to 36. Therefore, 4 square plus 5 square is not equal to 6 square. Therefore, 4, 5 and 6 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next, 2, 6, 7. 2 square 4, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. But 4 plus 36 equals to 40, which is not equal to 49. Therefore, 2 square plus 6 square is not equal to 7 square. Therefore, 2, 6 and 7 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Next example, 9, 40, 41. 9 square 81, 40 square 1600 and 41 square 1681. 81 plus 1600 equals to 1681, which is equal to the square of 41 square. Therefore, we say that 9 square plus 40 square equals to 41 square. Therefore, 9, 40 and 41 is a Pythagorean triplet. Next number, 4, 7, 8. 4 square 16, 7 square 49, 8 square 64. But 16 plus 49 equals to 65, which is not equal to 64. Therefore, 4 square plus 7 square is not equal to 8 square. Therefore, 4, 7 and 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Question number 2. The sides of some triangles are given below. Find out which ones are right angle triangle. Here again we will do the same method, only if it is a Pythagorean triplet, then it is a right angle triangle. That is, hypotenuse square equals to sum of square of other two sides, then it is a right angle triangle. We say it converse of Pythagoras theorem. 8, 15, 17. 8 square 64, 15 square 225, 17 square 289. Now 64 plus 225 equals to 289. Therefore, 8 square plus 15 square equals to 17 square. The above expression is of the form hypotenuse side square equals to base square plus height square. Therefore, the sides of lengths 8, 15 and 17 will form a right angle triangle. Next example, 11, 12, 15. 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 15 square 225, but 121 plus 144 equals to 265, which is not equal to 225. Therefore, 11 square plus 12 square is not equals to 25 square. Therefore, the above expression is not of the form hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Therefore, the sides of lengths 11, 12, 15 will not form a right angle triangle. Next example, 11, 60, 61. 11 square 121, 60 square 3600, 61 square 3721. Now 121 plus 3600 equals to 3721. Therefore, 11 square plus 60 square equals to 61 square. Therefore, the above expression is of the form hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Therefore, the sides of lengths 11, 60, 61 will form a right angle triangle. Next problem. Your answer is given in point. 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. 15 square. You know 225. Here decimal point after one digit is there. So here from the right hand side after two digits you put the decimal point. So 15 square is 225. Therefore 1.5 square equals to 2.25. 16 square is 256. Here decimal point after one digit. So in answer decimal point after two digit from the right hand side. So it will be 2.56. 1.7 square equals to 2.89. But 2.25 plus 2.56 is not equal to, it will be 4.81 is not equal to 2.89. Therefore, 1.5 square plus 1.6 square is not equal to 17 square. Therefore, the above expression is not of the form hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Therefore, the sides of lengths 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 will not form a right angle triangle. Next, 40, 20 and 30. 40 square is 1600, 20 square is 400, 30 square is 900. So 400 plus 900 is not equal to 1600. Therefore 20 square plus 30 square is not equal to 40 square. Therefore the above expression is not of the form hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Therefore the sides of the lengths 40, 20, 30 will not form a right angle triangle. This much is sufficient for this topic. In the next video, we are going to study the next chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.